Are you looking to learn how, or increase your sales and profits of high-ticket offers? How about if an AI app did all the work for you? Would that be of interest to you? If your answer is yes, then stay until the end of this short video. The fact is, if you haven't even looked into LinkedIn as a potential profit machine, you're missing out. It's not a social network in the same realm as Twitter, Facebook, TikTok and others. It's built for business, and that means if there's things that can help a person's business, they are looking for it. Here's a simple way to take advantage of it and not have to do the work yourself. Tap the Learn More button below right now to get ahead. There are so many features packed into this amazing AI app that we can't even list them all, but here's just a few. 1. Endorse Connections. Endorse your connections and recommend the skills of people in your network right inside the software app. 2. Like or connect. Instantly like, comment, or connect with the admin and posts made on LinkedIn. 3. Follow Connections. Follow multiple LinkedIn accounts instantly. 4. Wish happy birthday. One of the best ways to get the attention of your connections is to wish them a happy birthday, and now you can do this with a single click. 5. Congrats on anniversary. Congratulate your connections on their work anniversary using personalized messages that are sent out automatically once scheduled. 6. Congrats on new job. Congratulate your connections about their new job using personalized messages that can be automated using LinkoMatic. 7. Audience creation. Create unlimited lists of the highly targeted audiences in any niche using filters like company, location, industry, and more. 8. Add connections. Add multiple LinkedIn connections with just a click of your mouse, or utilize the automation tools inside to do this automatically. 9. Message all connections. Send personalized messages to any of your targeted connections at once, saving you massive amounts of time and effort. 10. Message targeted users. Send unlimited personalized messages to your targeted audiences using filters like current company, location, keywords, and more. 11. Get connection info. Get instant access to all the information of any of your LinkedIn connections fast. 12. View connections. View the profiles of multiple LinkedIn accounts quickly and easily. And tons more. The people who are successful using LinkedIn know it's a goldmine and that not many marketers play there, so they don't let anything stay open too long. Be quick. Click the Learn More now. God bless you and all your loved ones, and have a great day. Signing off. Pedro Robert.